Hello and what's up guys, welcome to another tutorial of TechWiki channel. In this tutorial I'm going to talk about table and how to create a table in HTML5. So let's get started. We can use table tag here, and for this we need a table row, and actually we need two table row here because we are going to create working hours here. It needs to opening tag, and here is the closing tag. Okay, and here we need th or table head, and we can use h1 working hours, and here we use our weekdays. And here we can use our TD, table description, 9 AM to 5 PM. I will use this for Monday to Friday. If I save this, now you will see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and working hours, because we use h1 heading here, h1 tag here. And if I want to change the color, the background color or the line color, we can use in table bg color equals black. It will show the whole table in black background color. And for tr we use bg color of bg color gray. If I save, you'll see these here. And for table row, for table description, I use bg color light gray, and you will see this. But as you can see, these tables are not the same widths, so we are going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 for every 100 pixel widths, 700. So we use widths of 700 for the total of this table rows, and for each one table heading we use the widths of 100. If I save it, you can see now the width of every table is the same. And if you want to align center these text here, you can use align attribute here and just type it center. And if you save it, you can see it's centralized. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe so you won't miss my future videos.